bitch knows, bitch, yeah, knows. When my kingdom, my countrymen, bring me my dog, not this dog, you idiot. Bring me my dog.
Here is your royal hound.
This is my royal hound. Oh my god, this is a fat ass dog. Look at the size of this thing. Get this fat ass away from me.
But sir, you got that dog last year for your birthday.
I don't care. Get this fat ass away from me.
She's real chunky.
She's very chunky. Alright. Oh my god. It looks like a freaking Taco Bell dog. Get this fat ass off of me.
But sir,
I'm not wearing a cup.
fine.
Get this fat ass off of me.
Yeah, here's your royal hound.
Where's my royal hound
Hey,
at?
chase the royal hound. I found you, royal hound.
Where's my royal hound?
It's
Sid, give it to me.
it's kind of anorexic though.
It's anorexic. Oh my god. Get this doggy off of me. Oh, you're kind of nice. You're scaring me. Get it off! Get it off! Get it off! Oh my god! Oh my god! Get my freaking royal hound over here! Oh, here comes the royal hound. Ah! My god, this thing is huge! Swear to God, if you shit on me, I'll kill you.
Is that your royal hound?
This is my royal hound. Sick Humphrey. Humphrey, sick. Sick balls. Sick as balls.
This is not Stand By Me. Shut up.
Chopper. Sick balls.
Oh my god! Oh my
Ah!
god! Oh my god!
My name is Sir Humphrey Jones. Actually, there was no animals hurt during the making of this film. So there's no problem for a lawsuit or anything such like that. Here I have Uno. Uno is still a fat ass. But but we just have to lever it every single day. That's right. Badass. Uno. We love you. Just a little bite?
No, we don't.
No?
We don't bite. We don't
Don't
bite.
bite?
We don't bite our
We don't
doggies.
bite our doggies?
No.
How about their leg?
No.
Okay. Tune in later for a dog attacking someone else. Enjoy.
Good Roxy.
I'm gonna puke, dude.
Keep her mouth open. She'll do it again.
Give me some water.
No thanks. Here, take the water.
Ah, you suck.
Take the water. Take.
Got it now. God. Cut the video. Look at that. Are you recording?
Yep.
Doritos are delicious! Try some today! Someone's riding on their bike.
Hey, no throwing Doritos in the house.
We have to walk away.
No one's riding their bike. Oh, there they are. Where'd that Dorito go?